Hey y'all, time for a new video. Today's video is going to be one that you guys requested. I recently did a mini clothing and accessory, spring clothing and accessory haul. And in the comments, some people were like, try on the clothes, we want to see you try them on. I asked at the end of the video if you guys wanted to see me actually try the clothes on so that you could see how they fit. You could see, you know, kind of the style of them. You could see how they look on the foot as opposed to me just showing you the shoe. So I went ahead and I filmed it for you guys. In this video, you're going to see me try on all 3 pair of the shoes, the 2 high heels and the 1 pair of sneakers. I also tried on the jeans that I got from H&M as well as the dress that I got. I showed you the dress belted and not belted. I did not film the accessories because you guys saw those in the first video. So like the shades and the hat, there was no need for me to refilm those items. So I didn't. I only filmed the actual clothing and shoes that I needed to try on for you to kind of get the whole feel of. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay y'all, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope seeing the clothes and the shoes on actually gave you a little more insight, gave you a little more info. If you like the items, they are both still available at H&M, the dress and the jeans. The shoes are still available at Charlotte Russe. I don't know if the sneakers are still available at Banana Republic, but they should be because those were a recently released item. I can check and put that down in the description box for you guys if you want. I will also link the products down below for you. Those are not affiliate links. I don't get paid from that, but it's convenient and easy, I know, to have the link right there to the product as opposed to having to go out and look for the product. So I will put that down there for you guys. As always, if you have any other comments or questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, supporting, and subscribing. Follow me on my other social medias, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!